So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your soccer ball or any soft round ball. The rounder, the better. And then I'll show you what else we need. So I'll move the camera over here. So I have 10 plastic water bottles here set up, okay? You can use plastic cups, you could use empty water bottles, anything that is gonna be safe if it tips over. And you wanna place them close enough that they could knock each other over, but not totally on top of each other, okay? So, for part one of our bowling unit, we're gonna go over one-step approaches, okay? So they're just like when we do our overhand throw, we're stepping with opposition. Our underhand throw, we're stepping with opposition. Same thing with your bowling approach, okay? So one-step approach, you're gonna start with your feet together, softball or whatever ball you're using at home in your dominant hand, and you're gonna step with your opposite, swing your arm back and roll the ball through. I kind of like to swing my foot across. If you want to do that at home, that's totally fine. How we're gonna do this game, there's gonna be 5 rounds. Each round consists of 2 rolls. So in those 2 rolls, you try to knock down all 10 of those pins or water bottles or whatever you're using at home, okay? So we're gonna keep track. I'm gonna play along right now with you. I'll show you how it works. K through 2, I want you guys to be about 5 feet away from your cups. 3 through 5, I want you to be 8 to 10 feet away from your cups, okay? So I'm using that one-step approach. Roll. Ooh, I knocked down 1 pin. 1 cup. Get my ball. Come back for my second roll of round 1. Ooh, missed. So I got 1 point. I'm gonna grab my cup, my bottle, put it back for round 2. After every round, you set those back up. So here's round 2, roll number 1. I knocked down 6 bottles. Round 2, roll 2. Ooh, I knocked down 2 more. I got 9 points, starting round number 3. Round 3, second roll. Ooh, I knocked down 9. Round 4, roll 1. Oh. Threw a gutter ball there. Round 4, roll 2. Ooh, 8. I'm up to 29 points, last roll of the game. Missed them all, okay? So I got 29 points. I want you to try at home, try to beat my score, make sure you're being safe, have some fun, and have a good day. Thank you.